How to upload videos directly to YouTube from ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can upload video to YouTube directly from ClipChamp. Well, can you do so? Well, you can. How you can do so? Well, let me guide you with this video. First things first, once you have finished editing, so you can see I have here the project opened up. Now I'm not editing anything here, but once you have finished editing and you're good to upload it, all you got to do is tap on the export icon at the top right here. You can see I've tap on it, and then now you can save it to 480, 720 or 1080. Now you need premium to be able to render it in 4K, but I'm just doing here on 1080. And once you do so, you can see this page will open up. Here all you got to do is you can name the file, right? Once you have named the file, down below you can see upload to YouTube. Tap on it and you're going to tap on connect to YouTube and go ahead and connect your YouTube account here. And once you have done so, you can start away directly uploading it to YouTube. So this is how you can upload directly to YouTube on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.